Math Legends! Today we're going to be looking at fractions, and we're going to be looking at using them to divide into whole numbers.
Okay guys, we're going to look at this problem which says 1/5 of 20. So what we're going to do is we're going to write it out how it would actually look if I was going to write it with a fraction. Now 1/5 of 20 means that I want to divide 20 into 5 equal parts, and then I want to find out what one part of that is. So if I do that then as a fraction, I know I want to find 20 over 5. Now, the line through the middle in a fraction is called the vinculum. Now, the vinculum just means divided by. So in this case, it means 20 divided by 5. So let's write that down, 20 divided by 5. And now that becomes a lot easier to work out. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. I could do the same thing on the next one, which says 1/2 of 14. Now, I know you could work this out in your head. We're going to do it going through the process. So 1/2 of 14. Then I know that I'm going to put the number of the hole on the top here, and I'm going to put the vinculum in, and then I'm going to put the 2 back on the bottom. So 14 over 2, which means 14 divided by 2 equals 7. What I want you to do now is have a go at the next 3 for me. So stop the video here, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to go through it with you. Okay, let's have a look at these. So 1/6 of 36. Then I'm going to go 36 over 6. Now remember, the vinculum means divided by, so 36 divided by 6 equals 6. And the next one says 1/4 of 32. Now we all know 1/4 is 1 over 4. I'm then going to put the 32 at the top, and I'm going to divide it by 4, which means 32 divided by 4 equals 8. And the last one is 1/3 of 27, which is 27 over 3, which is 27 divided by 3, which equals 9. Okay, here's a couple of other ones. Now, these are ones where they've already skipped a few steps, so they've given us a mixture of what we've just done before. So the first one's very similar to what we did just before. I want you to have a go at each of these and see if you can work out where we're at in our little step just from before, and work out if you can see the answer. Okay, let's come back and have a look at this. So 1/3 of 15, 1 over 3, which is of 15, which would be 15 over 3, which equals 5. The next one already has 1/8 over 72, so I'm going to put 72 over 8, which is the same as 72 divided by 8, which is 9. And the last one there, second last one, sorry, 30 divided by 5, because we know that vinculum means divided by, which is 6. And the last one already has a divided by, and I know the answer is 7. Okay, if you have any questions, gentlemen, feel free to either bring them to class or comment below, and I'll have a chance to have a look at them and answer them for you. Here's some more for you if you wish to have a bit more of a practice. Hopefully, by the time that you come to class tomorrow, you'll be all over it. Just quickly going through the answers: 6, 5, 2, and 6.